Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, September 28th. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the OneLab platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and not much has changed for the FTSE. We are still sitting here in this area. As you can see, I have two scenarios on my chart. The primary one is that we still make a move up here as a fifth wave to finish the wave A here, the wave A of an ABC, like this. There is also an alternative, and the alternative is a WXY structure. That means that we went up here in 3, 1, 2, 3, and that this here was our high, and that we are now heading towards this area here, the wave X area. So in the secondary scenario, I always draw my secondary scenarios in red, and then we know that the wave X should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. For the moment, like, I still have the 5-wave scenario here in green as my primary scenario because, this is still not violated. Like, we are still in wave 4 area here, so it can still play out. So yesterday, at the time of recording, I believe we were starting to break out here, but then we went back into this channel here. So I mean, we can still break out. This is actually necessary for this fifth wave. So I think my conclusion is the same as yesterday. Like, if we would get back here into this area as a fifth wave, it is a nice short opportunity. But where we are now, you cannot do much here. I think, like, okay, we could buy from here, but we can short from here, we can buy from here, and now we are somewhere in between. So there's not much to do in my opinion. If we look at the 1 hour, like, okay, I explained you my short ID from here. So the fifth wave taking out this high, 5 waves up from here, ending with divergence here. So compared to this high, so that would be a nice setup. And for the long, we are not ready yet to initiate a long from here. Like I drew the path that I would like to see before going long, and it looks like this. So we need a wave A here. So if we look at subwaves, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me change this here in the primary one. Okay, now let's focus back on the red one, the secondary one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then this can be wave A. Then we need a B and then a C down. Then we have 1, 2, 3 corrective structure into this area. But as you can see, we are not there yet. But now you know what I'm looking for before I would initiate a long entry. Okay, that's my analysis for today. I think we just have to be a bit patient to see what we will get here, and I will follow up tomorrow with another video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you back tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.